Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see a problem on regular falsy method under this numerical method. Find the real root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 correct to 3 decimal places using regular falsy method. Solution. So the given equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 we will consider as let f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 we will consider. Now we need to check for the values here. So when x is equal to 0 what happens, when x is equal to 1 what happens, 2, 3, 4. So I will take here when x is equal to 0. So what happens, 0 cube minus 2 into 0 minus 5. So the result is 5. So similarly we need to work out for when x is equal to 1. So what happens, so 1 cube minus 2 into 1 minus 5. So which will be nothing but minus 6. Similarly like that we have to continue. So till we get a one positive answer and one is negative. We got negative answer because of 0 and 1. So we need to check few more. So that I will show using the calculator now. So you concentrate. Now, so using so go for mode option, then you can find here option 7 table we have to use option 7 table. So you will find f of x. So in front of f of x we have to write this equation, that is x cube minus 2x minus 5. So how to write here, just see using alpha x and cube option you have to take. So that is cube minus 2x, that is minus 2 into alpha x. Then we have minus 5, then press equal to sign. So once you press equal to sign, it will ask starting value. So starting value what I had taken here, 0. So press 0. End value it is left to you. So I will take 5 or 6, 7, you can take any value. So usually we will take a 0 to 5 or 0 to 1. So I will take starting value I have taken 0, and I will just it is trial and error method, I will take 5. So and step size means after 0 which number we are using, 1. So difference between 0 and 1 is 1. After 1 we are taking 2. So difference between 2 and 1 is 1. So step size is 1. So 1. So you can find the result here. When x is equal to 0, answer is minus 5. We got already here. When x is equal to 1, so answer is minus 6, which one already we got. When x is equal to 2, what is answer here, minus 1. So I will write here. When x is equal to 2, answer is minus 1 we getting. Next you take the cursor down. When x is equal to 3, answer is coming 16. Then next, when x is equal to 4, answer is coming 51. When x is equal to 4, answer is coming 51. Next, when x is equal to 5, answer is coming 110. So you can see here. So as per the condition, we want one value positive, one value is negative. So we'll see here. So here you can see negative value, positive. So we have to choose these two, because f of 2 which is negative, which is less than 0, and f of 3 which is positive, greater than 0. So we have the condition f of a may be what here, negative, and f of b will be what here, positive. So we need to choose. So we got this condition satisfied here. So with the help of this, so I can say that 2 and 3 are the roots for this given equation. So okay, so therefore the roots lies in 2, 3. So because of 2 we got getting minus, and because of 3 we getting plus here. So remember, so 2 is a negative place and 3 is a positive place for this example. Okay, so now, so as per the remark, so we have to reduce this again by using the one of the method what we have discussed in the form of remark. So we can go again more nearer, so where our root is lie exactly. So if you use directly this value, so number of iteration will be more than 10 to 5 to 10. So to reduce that number of iterations, so we can reduce it by using again starting value as 3 and end value as starting value as 2 and end value as 3, and difference is what here, 0.1. So again we'll use the calculator for this. So already again the same equation you have to type in the calculator, that is f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. So go for the again equal to sign. It is asking start value. So freshly we have to take 2, end value we have to take freshly as 3. 2 and 3, starting value is 2, end value, these are the boundaries, 2 and 3 are the boundaries. So starting value is 2, end value is 3, and difference as per the remark 0.1. So you will find, so because of 2 it is minus, because of 2.1 it is plus, so we'll consider here. So hence now because of f of 2 the result is minus 1, and f of 2.1 will be what here, 0.061. okay, so it is 0.061. so I can say that this is negative value, this is positive value. So based on this we got the fresh roots. So our root will be lies between 2, instead of 2 and 3 it is lying between 2 and 2.1. so therefore the root lies in 2, 2.1, means our answer is in between 2 and 2.1. So remember, because of 2 we got negative value, and because of 2.1 positive. So this is very important. So this is a negative place and this is a positive place. Now we'll go for the first iteration or first approximation. So first iteration is, the formula is, so x1 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So here we'll collect the data. So a value is 2, b value is 2.1. okay, so f of a value is, that is f of a means f of 2, so f of 2 is minus 1, and f of b value, so f of b means out here 2.1, so f of 2.1 is 0.061. so this value we need to apply above formula, that is x1 is equal to a value is 2, f of b value is 0.061 minus b value is 2.1, and f of a value is minus 1 divided by f of b minus f of a. So f of b value is 0.061 minus, so f of a value is minus 1, I will put minus 1. So we need to simplify this, okay, by using the calculator, or else any other method if you have, you can choose it, but better we need to maintain the decimal place. So I will use the calculator, but while using the calculator, so I will use one of the concept here, that is I will write this formula in the calculator. So small a I will consider as capital A in the calculator, and f of b means we need to write a equation, this equation, that is x cube minus 2x minus 5 we have to write in what here, in a capital B form, and if it is f of a is here, so f of a is there, then the same equation we have to write in a capital A. Just see how to write, I will show here. So take a division option, then so formula is what here, a, that is alpha a, okay, alpha a into, then f of b means the above equation, this equation we have to write in a capital B form, that is alpha b of cube minus 2 into alpha b minus 5, close the bracket, minus b into f of a, b value capital alpha b into, now the same equation we have to write in terms of a, that is because of f of a, that is alpha a cube minus 2 times alpha a minus phi, close the bracket, divided by next again f of b minus f of a, bracket, f of b is nothing but again alpha b cube minus 2 times alpha b minus phi minus bracket alpha a cube minus 2 times alpha a minus phi. So these are the equations we have taken in terms of b and a. So I have taken this formula completely, you can observe. Fine. So this formula you have to observe here. So the same formula I have taken in the form of equation here. So that it will be easy for the calculation. Only we have to put the value of a and b and we have to work out for this. Now we'll see and what answer we'll get. So here a value is 2, b value is 2.1. So only this value it will ask in the calculator. Just I will apply, go for calc option. So when a is 2 and b is 2.1. So what answer will get? So automatically it will calculate. So we got this fraction. Put SD button. So we'll get what here? 2.09425. So I want to take a 4 decimal place in the calculation. 2.09425. So 5 you add here. So it will become 2.0943. It will become. Therefore our x1 value will be 2.0943. This is the first approximate value we got it. Now we need to go for repeat this process again to get what here? Accurate result. So next second iteration is so to get second iteration we need to find f of x1 value. So f of x1 value, fresh value is out here 2.0943. So we need to calculate this. It is nothing but in the main formula we need to apply main equation what it is given in the question, where there we have to apply, that is 2.0943 whole cube minus 2 into 2.0943 minus 5. So if you calculate this, so what answer will get? We'll see here. So I will prepare a formula so it will be easy for the calculation, that is alpha x cube minus 2 into alpha x minus 5. Go for calc option. So just put once the value here 2.0943 equal to sign. So what answer it will coming? That answer we have to take. So answer what we got here, minus 2.8064, I will take 4 decimal place, into 10 raised to minus 3. So we got minus 2.8065 I will take into 10 raised to minus 3, or because this 10 raised to minus 3 is there, so I want to rewrite it. So it is minus, so 3 means 0.12328 I will write here only 3 numbers. So 806 is there, so 6 you add here, it will become 81. So this is negative value. So therefore the fresh roots are, the root lies in, so you just see that. So a value is positive, negative we got, b value negative. So I will just show that here. So here f of 2 is negative and f of 2.1 is positive. So this is negative place and this is positive place. So here we got a negative value because of what here? 2.0943. So therefore in place of 2 we have to write the root as 2.0943 comma, and in place of 2.1 because it no change here, so it will become 2.1. So this is fresh value we got it. Okay, so this is a fresh root we got. So therefore for to get a second so this is again x2 formula will be same formula, that is a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So here the value of a is 2.0943 value of b is 2.1, and value of f of a, what we got, the same value, that is 0 minus 0.00281, and f of b value, it is 0.061 as it is. Okay, so the same values we need to apply. So directly I will use the calculator, because already we have prepared the formula, so it is there. So always it will be available in the calculator till you press on. If you press on, it will vanish. So just press AC button, go to center middle button here. So you take up once again, so formula again it will be visible. So for this you just press calc option, it will ask the value of a. So fresh value of a is 2.0943, and value of b will be remain same, that is 2.1. so you will find the answer 2.0945. you will find the answer 2.0946, because fifth place is here 5, so add here, so 2.0946, 2.0946. so previous answer is 2.0946, and previous answer is 2.094. so you can just see that in the question you have to read it. So they have asked the solution, so we have to correct to 3 decimal places, 3 in the sense here. So previous iteration 3 places, that is 2.094, and so here it is, so both 3 decimal places are same for the previous iteration and the next iteration. So therefore we'll stop it. Therefore the approximate root for the given equation up to 3 decimal place is 2.094. okay, 2.094. we'll stop here. So if they ask 4 decimal place, so this will not going to work out, so we need to go for one more iteration. So this is just a trial example I have shown you. So with this reference we'll go more number of examples, so that you can understand more here. So in this way we need to work out the example here using regular falsely method for the numerical method for the given algebraic equation we have taken here.